A2C cargo truck. It was a type of military transport that went into service in the early 1950s. Has been used up until very recently. And just a good, solid truck. You carry 2.5 tons of cargo off-road, which is where it got the nickname Deuce and a Half. But it could also carry up to 5 tons on paid services. Although in the pinch, they were known to carry twice the rated load. Just a really terrific truck. A lot of people who used it in the field said it was the best tactical truck ever built.
We're leaving 319 maintenance complex and heading to the 5th bomb unit and then over to the museum.
And this will be the last ride of this vehicle.
Definitely will be the last ride. As long as it makes it that far, it might be a short last ride.
And you got a tow truck following us, though. You can tell. So what's this thing like to drive?
Not fun. Couldn't imagine driving this thing 6 hours across country, that's for sure.
Yes, sir. Actually, I remember working on this truck vividly. Many jump starts, oil changes, scheduled maintenance, some unscheduled maintenance.
There he is right there. Oh, that's
So what would you say about the M35 in general?
I think it's the best truck we have.
Exactly. I think it's a mistake of
what do we have to apply?
military of getting rid of it because of its simplicity. It is, from our perspective as vehicle maintenance, to fix and repair this vehicle in the field, it is quick, very quick to do so. There's very little electronics on it, so it makes it more field expedient, I guess you would call it, for repairs.